Hey everybody, this is Michael Morrow, your friendly financial coach here, coming to you with another Financial Friday tidbits and insights to helping you reach your financial goals in life and live in financial 3D. Well, guess what? It is April and it's Financial Literacy Month, and we want to talk about today is spending plans in this Financial 5 Minutes. And the lesson basically is we want to help you live in financial dignity. Well, what is a spending plan? A spending plan is basically a tool you use financially to reach your financial goals. It has two basic parts, income and expenses. And those have separate parts which you can break into categories. But we're going to focus on the expense side today. And we're going to talk about one of the two parts of the expenses, which is one is fixed and the other is flexible expenses. We're all familiar with the fixed expenses. Those are the expenses that won't change, can't be moved, decreased, because they're either contractual or that's the way the company has set it up for you. However, the flexible expenses, those are the ones that can be changed and they can be up 1 month, down 1 month, or even non-existent. So let's talk about flexible expenses. What are some examples of flexible expenses? Flexible expenses can be eating out, shopping, personal maintenance, concerts, a lot of grocery shopping, fun money, or even other extracurricular activities I won't go into at this time. I'll stay off my soapbox today. However, the question is, what can you do with flexible expenses? Well, you can do so much. It's your money. You tell it what to do. But when you have your flexible expenses under control, you can do your spending and do it on purpose. You won't have to worry about where has my money gone this month. When you write down your income and when you write down your expenses, you can now tell your money what to do each and every month. The scripture says in Isaiah 55 verse 2, "Wherefore do you spend money for that which is not bread, and labor for that which is satisfies not?" In other words, where do you spend all your money? And why do you purchase things which won't satisfy you? Those empty items, those things which really add no value to your life. And you must also look at the reasons why we spend money. And once you get down to the nitty-gritty of that, you'll understand that you have control over majority of your income, if not all your income, every month. So you can use that money you have left over for down payment on your home if you save it up properly. You can also use it for business investment, real estate investment, an emergency fund. Instead of always going to those payday loan places, you can be your own bank, borrow the money from yourself, and pay yourself back with interest. Most importantly, you can use that extra income you've diverged from the flexible expenses to even pay off that extra debt which is looming over you and pay it off in a fraction of the time. The scripture says in Deuteronomy 8 and 18, "But thou shalt remember the Lord thy God, for it is he that giveth thee power," or the ability, "to get wealth." So let's look at the real reason why we have this extra money. Yes, it's good to have life and have it more abundantly, but we also have been given a responsibility to leave a legacy, and that is financial destiny. So when you live in financial 3D, you find out that you're living in financial dignity, financial dominance, and financial destiny when you take control of your money on the foundational level. Thank you once again for listening to me. This is Michael Morrow, your friendly financial coach, coming at you with another tidbit of living in financial 3D. Hey, catch out my other links, click below in the YouTube channel, or just, hey, subscribe, hit that button, and we look forward to you all joining us for future financial fun. Thank you all and be blessed.